Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to read and write three-letter words with phonic sound. So let's start. First picture is cab. K-A-B, cab. Cab means a taxi. My mother goes to the market in a taxi. Dear children, while writing cursive form, do not lift the pencil. It's a rule for cursive writing. Second word is sad. S-A-D, sad. Sad means unhappy. Why are you sad? You must be happy. Next word is lab. L-A-B, lab. Lab is a place where experiments are done. There is a big lab in our school. Next word is pad. P-A-D, pad. It is a writing pad which you take during exams. Yes, I keep my sheet on my writing pad. And the last picture is dad. D-A-D, dad. Dad means Papa. I love my dad. Now we will read all the words again. Cab. K-A-B, cab. Next is sad. S-A-D, sad. The third word is lab. L-A-B, lab. Moving on to next. Pad. P-A-D, pad. Last word is dad. D-A-D, dad. Now revise and write these words beautifully. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.